A new state regulation in California will require insurance companies to offer coverage to more homeowners in wildfire-prone areas.
Nicole Comstock spoke to some critics who say it will cost homeowners much more.
There's one thing about living in Southern California. The cost of homeownership keeps on creeping up. So does the cost of homeowners insurance.
Keeps going up. Keeps going up.
Particularly in foothill communities that pose a high risk of wildfires. Monday, Insurance Commissioner Ricardo Lara issued a historic regulation. It requires insurers here, for the first time ever, to write more homeowners insurance policies in those fire-prone areas, 5% more policies per year. But some say it will cost other homeowners 40 to 50% more in insurance premiums.
This was a proposal drafted by a insurance company lobbyist behind closed doors where there's no opportunity for public comment. It's just an outrageous abuse of the public trust.
Jamie Cord is the president of Consumer Watchdog. He says California insurance companies will now be able to add the cost of reinsurance, which is essentially a transfer of risk onto those policies. And that will make prices more volatile.
But at some point, when you charge so much, people cannot afford it. And that's what the insurance industry is counting on.
But Commissioner Lara paints a different picture in a written statement saying, in part, with input from thousands of residents throughout California, this reform balances protecting consumers with the need to strengthen our market against climate risk. Homeowners we spoke with had their reservations.
Tough pill to swallow, and there's got to be more of a leveling out where you don't have to share in all that cost.
It sounds like a lot of smart people came up with a very Byzantine insurance program.
Gerard Pacificar says at this rate, the hope of ever owning a home is dwindling.
Not to be bleak about it, but I've just given up on the idea. Yeah, it's rent forever. As long as I'm in California.
Yeah.
I hear there's hope in other states.